mga labs, kain tayo ng jerjer. Yung jerjer, oh. Ito yung itsura niya. Kain tayo.
Dahil si Ann. Ano, magbaho ka na lang. Na? Sige. Ako naman na nakita niyo na pinagyan mo ng...
Kain tayo ng jerjer.
Dahil. Papaluto ko na ako ba yan? Papaluto na naman.
Meron ding kambing dito sa Saudi. Kung mayroong kambing sa Pinas, meron din dito sa Saudi.
Hindi ako diet, dito sa akin diet. Ako alam ko ang sila diet ako.
Ang bulsa.
Kung diet ako, dito ako tawal ko. Yala, Dimitri.
As the boy hurriedly apologized, he noticed something strange. The way the CEO told him in action was identical to how his son responded. Impulsively, the boy called the CEO dad. Startled by this, the CEO quickly informed the boy that he wasn't his father and asked him not to call him that. Just then, the boy's mother rushed over. When she saw the CEO, she froze.
Tapos gusto ko ng maraming suka sa kukon.
Memories of their beautiful
Yung lagyan ng suka, tapos may paminta, may sili, ano ba yan? Nalapit na ako mag-ano kasi yung bigla. Hindi na ako makamasting.
lost his memory 5 years ago. 5 years earlier, the CEO had been willing to give up his billion-dollar fortune to be with her and build a life together. But shortly afterward, he was diagnosed with a serious illness. To ensure he received treatment, the woman reluctantly approached his mother, hoping she would use the family's resources to help him. Instead, the CEO's mother used the situation to bless him. Tatlong science education magpo-concept. Tapos yun yung presence. Naging evidence na kasi mga sayulan niya naranasan. Di mga bagay na
Yan na, sili ko, kalas.
Meron? Bumili man?